A Jamaican are the only one say rice and peas? Because me not hear other Caribbean island or other people overall say rice and peas, you know. So tell me, how that part they go? The country where you're from, do you say rice and peas or rice and beans or beans and rice? It look like them just think and say, make we just be different. Because we don't have peas and we don't have beans too, right? Or are just straight beans right across the board. Bahamas, rice and peas. Oh, Bahamas are rice and peas. Okay. Okay, cousin. In St. Vincent, it's rice and peas. Big up St. Vincent, right through, and big up Bahamas. Yeah. Some Asian cultures will put peas in their rice. Peas and rice go together. 100%. I was born in America, but my dad was Jamaican, so I grew up calling it rice and peas. Good. Jamaica make the best rice and peas. Period. Me not ask.